Sleep technology has progressed beyond basic to include devices that help with falling asleep, staying asleep, and waking up refreshed. When choosing a sleep gadget, consider its compatibility with your lifestyle. Leading options offer detailed insights into sleep and recovery, while smartwatches provide added versatility with additional features. For those who find wearables uncomfortable, non-invasive alternatives like certain sleep monitors or smart home devices can be effective. Remember, these devices are not medical tools and cannot diagnose sleep disorders, even if they are FDA cleared. They are designed to identify potential issues and offer insights. Key factors to consider include comfort, accuracy, battery life, and data relevance. This guide presents a range of devices suited to different needs. Here goes our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 5. Withings Sleep. The Withings Sleep offers a unique, non-invasive approach to sleep tracking. This device comes as a long, rectangular mat equipped with sensors and covered in fabric, designed to be placed under the mattress. It eliminates the need for wearable devices, making it ideal for those who find sleep trackers uncomfortable or inconvenient to wear. Since its initial launch as the Nokia Sleep, the device has significantly improved its tracking capabilities. It now reliably monitors various sleep metrics, including heart rate, sleep cycles, snoring, and breathing disturbances. A key advantage is its direct power connection, eliminating the need for battery charging and ensuring continuous tracking. The Withings Sleep excels in providing comprehensive long-term sleep pattern analysis. Through the Withings app, users can generate automatic, detailed sleep diaries that break down important trends and visualize metrics over time. This feature is particularly valuable for sharing sleep data with healthcare providers, with the ability to export professional-quality PDF reports. While it may lack the advanced features of high-end smartwatches, the Withings Sleep offers excellent value. It provides reliable, consistent data without requiring users to wear or charge any devices. Number 4. Whoop 4.0. The Whoop 4.0 is a unique recovery tracker focused on monitoring sleep quality and cardiovascular strain. Unlike traditional devices, Whoop offers free hardware but requires a $30 monthly subscription. Its primary focus is on recovery and athletic experience, emphasizing sleep debt and how effectively sleep fuels training. What sets Whoop apart is its detailed analysis of factors impacting sleep. Users can log a wide range of variables, from major events like vaccinations to daily habits like supplement intake. This comprehensive logging system allows for in-depth analysis of how various factors affect sleep and recovery, making it an excellent tool for sleep journaling and detailed health tracking. The device's minimalist design, lacking smart features, contributes to its excellent battery life. It comes with a portable battery pack for continuous wear. Whoop offers flexible wearing options, including bicep placement or integration into specially designed clothing, providing versatility that many other sleep trackers lack. However, Whoop is a niche product best suited for endurance athletes and those engaged in intensive cardio sports. It's less effective at tracking strain from activities like strength training. The steep monthly subscription may be a barrier for casual users. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 introduces several improvements, making it a strong contender in the smartwatch market with enhanced sleep tracking capabilities. It features Wear OS 4, contributing to extended battery life, and sports 30% thinner bezels for a streamlined appearance. Powered by the new Exynos W930 chip, it ensures smooth experience across all functions. A standout feature is its advanced sleep tracking. Samsung has significantly improved this aspect, offering a sleep profile feature similar to Fitbit's, assigning users a sleep animal based on their habits. The watch now allows viewing detailed sleep stats directly on the wrist, enhancing accessibility to this crucial information. The Galaxy Watch 6 introduces a tweaked sleep mode using an invisible infrared sensor for tracking, potentially improving accuracy and comfort. It also incorporates temperature data for cycle tracking, offering comprehensive health monitoring. For fitness enthusiasts, it provides personalized heart rate zones and custom workouts. While its sleep tracking accuracy may not match some specialized devices, it offers a good balance for users wanting both smartwatch functionality and detailed sleep insights. The improved battery life, though not matching the Watch 5 Pro, strikes a better balance between features, size, and longevity, making it more suitable for overnight wear. The Galaxy Watch SIX's combination of advanced features, improved sleep tracking, and overall versatility makes it a strong choice for Android users seeking a comprehensive smartwatch with robust sleep monitoring capabilities. Number 2. Google Pixel Watch 2. The Google Pixel Watch 2, priced at $349.99, represents a significant improvement over its predecessor. Its most notable enhancement is battery life, now reliably lasting 24 hours on a single charge with the always-on display enabled. This smartwatch features a new processor, a multipath health sensor, and runs on Wear OS 4, offering a substantial update to its capabilities. In sleep tracking, the Pixel Watch 2 leverages Fitbit's expertise, providing detailed sleep stage information and allowing users to compare their sleep patterns with peers. It employs passive overnight tracking for blood oxygen levels and calculates a daily readiness score based on long-term activity and sleep quality. A unique feature is the sleep profile, assigning users a sleep animal based on monthly sleep habits, helping users understand their circadian rhythms. Fitbit Premium subscribers get access to additional wellness content, adding value to the package. The Pixel Watch 2 outperforms some dedicated sleep trackers in exercise monitoring thanks to its built-in GPS. It offers more everyday functionality, including silent alarms, contactless payments, and notifications. The integration of Google Assistant further enhances its utility as a smartwatch. For those hesitant about Google or Fitbit, the watch provides a solid alternative to other Android-compatible options. Its combination of advanced sleep tracking, everyday smartwatch features, and improved battery life makes it a versatile choice for users seeking both comprehensive sleep insights and general smartwatch functionality. Number 1. Oura Ring Generation 3. The Oura Ring is a sophisticated sleep and recovery tracker disguised as elegant jewelry. This smart ring is equipped with 7 temperature sensors, a green LED sensor for heart rate measurement, and red and infrared LEDs for blood oxygen monitoring. It provides a holistic view of recovery, delivering daily reports on readiness, sleep quality, and activity goals. Recent features include a chronotype assessment to optimize sleep schedules and compatibility with fertility planning apps. Oura excels in data context and presentation, offering passive blood oxygen monitoring instead of random spot checks. It also includes a unique recovery mode for periods of illness or injury. The ring's comfort is a significant advantage, being more wearable than a watch. Its nondescript design suits any occasion, with up to a week of battery life. The main drawback is the $6 monthly subscription. However, for those passionate about long-term sleep monitoring, the subscription's value outweighs its cost. Oura provides insights into how sleep affects stress tolerance and whether users should challenge themselves or take it easy. Its comprehensive data and user-friendly interface make it ideal for those seeking detailed insights into sleep patterns and overall recovery. The Oura Ring remains one of the most comprehensive and user-friendly sleep trackers on the market, balancing advanced technology with comfort and style. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.